Hey, it's yayforyarn, and today I am unboxing the May 2018 KnitCrate. So KnitCrate is a monthly yarn club subscription service, and this is my first month trying this out, so I'm super excited to open this up and see what's inside. Thanks so much to KnitCrate for sending this to me to review, and let's see what's inside here. Ooh! So each month of yarn has a theme. This yarn is a marled sock yarn, and this is actually really nice. This feels incredible. Super squishy. It has like almost no surface fuzz to it, so it looks like it would not pill at all. Wow, this feels really nice. So the crate includes 2 skeins of the featured yarn of the month and 2 patterns. So it looks like there's a knit pattern and a crochet pattern. The knit pattern for this month is a shawl of some sort, and it looks like the crochet one is a cabled clutch. And the patterns are not printed paper patterns. You download the pattern on the website. So these beautiful crates of premium quality luxury yarn ship anywhere in the world, and every month you get a new set of yarn, enough to make the project in one of the patterns that is included with the kit. So I think I'm going to do the crochet cabled clutch. So if you want to check out KnitCrate and get a subscription for yourself, you can get 20% off of your first month by clicking the link in the description box and using the code yayforyarn20 for 20% off of your first month. And they have several different types of crates, each with a different type of yarn. This is the basic knit crate that includes a knitting and a crochet pattern. So I'm going to open up these hanks of yarn, and I'm going to wind them into center pole skeins, and I'm going to start crocheting this cabled clutch. So I finished winding the yarn. This yarn did not hardly shed any fuzz when I wound it. I've had some yarns that I've wound on like a Yarn Swift and yarn ball winder, and it just rains fuzz everywhere. This one left almost no fuzz whatsoever, which I think means it's pretty good quality. It does not have like a fuzz halo around any of the yarn. So I am going to go and crochet my project out of this. Again, thanks so much to KnitCrate for sending me this yarn to try. And if you're interested, you can check the link in the description box and use the coupon code yayforyarn20 for 20% off your first month. Thanks for watching. Bye.